To filter Best Places restaurants, start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the Restaurants section. Here you will find a comprehensive list of restaurants in your desired location. First, enter the city or zip code of the area you are interested in to get a list of nearby restaurants. You can then use the filtering options to narrow down your search. The most common filters include rating, price range, and cuisine type. Rating filters allow you to choose restaurants based on their overall rating, with options ranging from 1 to 5 stars. Price range filters enable you to select restaurants that fit your budget, with options including cheap, moderate, and expensive. Cuisine type filters are also available, allowing you to choose from a wide range of options such as Italian, Mexican, or Asian. You can select multiple filters at once to find restaurants that meet all of your criteria. In addition to these filters, you can also sort the list of restaurants by factors such as distance, rating, or price. This allows you to quickly and easily find the best restaurants in your area that meet your needs. Once you have applied your filters and sorted the list, you can browse through the results to find the perfect restaurant for your needs. Each restaurant listing includes detailed information such as the address, phone number, and hours of operation, as well as reviews from other diners. By following these steps, you can easily filter Best Places restaurants to find the best options in your area. Remember to use a combination of filters and sorting options to get the most accurate results. And always check the reviews and ratings to ensure you are making an informed decision.